Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to get PlayStation Plus Premium for free. First, you want to go and open the browser on your phone. Then you want to search for twistycoupons.com, just like so. Then you want to search for PlayStation Plus, and here it tells you how many coupons left. Just click on Get Code, then click on Show Coupon Code. Then here it will give you the code, but you should click on Get Full Code first. And now it will redirect you to another page. Now you should do some tasks in order to finish and show the code. So here the tasks asks me to download some applications, use them for a specific time, fill in a survey, download a game and reach a specific level. So these are the usual tasks. After you finish two of the three tasks, you will get back, then see here that you have the coupon valid. But if you actually do not have the coupon valid yet, you can make the third task. Instead of just two tasks, you can get the third task and it will show you the coupon like this. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.